My name is Pranshu. In this video, I will go through the 5 JavaScript coding challenge, include focusing on a host and the best case sense scenarios. We see how different input affects performance and how to write code that handles both efficient and let's together stuff. The first program, the max bitwise. Our first program is finding the maximum value using a bitwise operation. For the worst case, imagine we have to check every element in this array. We iterate through the each element and update the maximum if the bitwise and could produce a large number. This is a linear complexity O ON. For the best case, if the first element is already the maximum possible value, we can reduce the number of checking checks while we still iterate. We might exit earlier if we know we are reach the maximum value. The idea is here to see how input and arrange can affect performance even in a simpler linear searches. Program number second, flip and the invert image. Next is a flip and invert binary image. In the worst case, every pixel in every row must be flipped and inverted. We reverse each row and XOR in each byte and with one. This ensure all the row process fully, giving O n m time for n by m minute. In the best case, if all bytes are the same or flipped is unnecessary, we can adjust invert or bytes without reversing. This slides reduce the work per load. It's improved to think about how data patterns affect performance. The program number three, asteroids collision. The asteroid collision program use a stack to resolve collision. In the worst case, almost all the asteroids collide, so the stack must process each collision. This involves multiple probes and push make it more expensive. In the best case, all the asteroids move into the same direction, so there's a no collision. It all we simply push each asteroid onto the stack once, giving O(n) time. This problem show how input arrange collision versus smooth movement change performance. Fourth one is find relative rank. In this worst case, we needed to sort the scores first. We take O n log n times and then assign rank. This happens when scores are unsorted or random. In the best case, the scores are already sorted in the descending order. When they are assigned gold, silver, bronze, and other rank directly without sorting, which is faster. The illusion how sorting affect worst and the best case scenarios. The fifth one is length of last word. Finally, we have the length of the last word in the string. In this, the worst case occur when the string has many trailing spaces. We have to iterate from the end and skip the space and then count letter from the last word. The best case is the simple single word string with a no trailing space. We can adjust split the string by spaces and take the length of the last word directly. This is show how string formatting affects the efficient of the seemingly simple operation. That's all 5 programs are on worst and the best case scenario. Remember, understanding how input affect performance is the key to writing efficient and robust code. Keep practice and try testing these with the different inputs to see the impact of yourself. Thank you.